Hello, kids! Today, we are learning to write numbers 7, 8, 9. Are you ready? Let's begin.
You can pause this video to download and print the worksheet below. When you finish, replay the video to continue. Now, make sure you have a pencil with you, ready to begin. Let's learn to write number 7. Start from here, then trace the number by following the arrows till the end. There, you have number 7. Now, let's practice writing number 7. Next, let's learn to write number 8. You can write number 8 like this. Now, let's practice writing number 8. Next, let's learn to write number 9. See, you can write number 9 this way. Now, let's practice writing number 9.
Great job! You've finished. Bye for now and see you soon in the next lesson.